Hi, this is Mark Ciepluch again from Vendura Industries. I just wanted to say to our current customers, thank you for letting us do business with you. I really mean that. I know what it takes to run a department, a division, and a company, and I know that a lot of business decisions are built on trust. So thank you for trusting us with your business, and we'll continue to work hard to earn your trust every day. If you've never done business with Vendura, or you haven't done business with us in quite a while, I'd encourage you to let us quote your next project. The leadership team that I'm part of purchased Vendura in October of 2016, and we spent the last couple of years rebuilding the company culture here. And we're rebuilding it to one centered around customer service and around continuous improvement. We don't run a perfect company here, we never claim to, but what I do promise you is we're going to give you our best efforts, and you're going to get an honest answer, and everyone here behind your product. So feel free to reach out to me personally if you'd like to talk, or if you want to learn how to become a better partner or bigger partner with Vendura, reach us at www.vendura.com. Thank you.